It's been 17 years since China joined the World Trade Organization, and China has proved that it is a reliable player in the global trading system. China has fulfilled its commitments to the WTO. It has continued to make efforts to improve its socialist market economy system, further align its policies with multilateral trade rules, honour its commitments on opening trade, and strengthen its protection of intellectual property rights. It has made major efforts to review and revise 192,300 relevant laws, regulations, departmental rules and policies covering trade, investment and IPR protection, amongst other areas. Meanwhile, import tariffs have been reduced and non-tariff barriers have been lowered significantly. In 2001, China's average tariff level stood at 15.3%. By 2010, China had reduced this number to 9.8%. By doing this, China fulfilled all of its tariff reduction commitments. China has also lived up to its commitments on trade in services and IPR protection. China has significantly opened up its services market, taken the initiative to strengthen IPR protection, and built a full-fledged legal system. Since 2001, intellectual property royalties paid to foreign rights holders by China have registered an annual growth of 17%. In recent years, surging tides of anti-globalization, combined with rising protectionism and unilateralism, have posed severe challenges to the multilateral trading system. However, China has continued to be an international player. China has benefited from its role on the world stage, and it has shared its success by providing huge opportunities for both developed and developing countries. As the world becomes more and more globalized, China pledges to open up in a more comprehensive, profound, and diversified way, with the aim of achieving greater mutual benefit and win-win outcomes. In the next 5 years, China is expected to import $8 trillion worth of goods and attract overseas investment of $600 billion. Through its efforts, China is continuing to live up to its responsibility as a major world power.